I want to rebuild this side piece here with form ply. So I've got 3 drawers, and so this looks cooler.
Check square.
I gotta stop doing that. It's pretty stupid. So just going for pocket holes so that I don't see any screw holes in the actual bench top. The underside I'll just drill in from the bottom, and because I can't get to the pocket holes. Okay, so after all this form ply action, I think I'm going to use a lot of these scraps and have a bit of a go at some pattern ply for these drawer fronts. These pipe clamps, $100 Aussie to get you in the game. These are just cheap, generic pipe clamps off eBay or Amazon. They're $40 for a set of 4. You can buy pipe, threaded pipe pretty cheap from big box stores. They're $15 each, $100 gets you in the game of clamping things together. They work great. Rightio, check. What's going on? The old lump of glue on the square. Got all the pieces for the 3 drawers. The only part where I ran shy was to have some melamine edge on the front of the drawer. It will have the pattern plywood face piece on here, but it was not worth spending on another small sheet for that. It's if this was a kitchen, yes. For in here, no. All right, let's give him a quick chamferisation. I've drowned these in that wipe-on poly. I've actually just used a brush, and these have come up pretty good, I think. Keeping in mind this was a scrap wood project, so there are heaps of dodgies. However, but it's given me a little bit of insight into what you can do with pattern plywood and how cool it is to have a go at. So I'm definitely going to have another go at this in the future in some other way. Thanks very much for watching. Catch you later. Beauty shots after this, or you've seen them on the thumbnail. So you notice the drawer pulls are up the top now. The final punter move I made, the holes down here went into the melamine, so I could not attach them. So now I've got these little things to say, look up, that's where the drawer handle is now.